Hey everyone, my name is Ron and welcome to the 10th vlog of the Noisy Chef. I am very excited today guys because we are making one of the dish that helps me grab the title of Chef of the Year 2020 that I joined a few months ago here in this country. Very grateful during that moment because I was able to showcase the talent, the skill, and the knowledge that I've learned for the past few years. It makes me so proud as well because one of the dishes that I used to win the title is our very own famous that everyone knows even abroad, which is the Chicken Adobo. For today's cooking session, we are making two types of it. One is traditional and the other one is the one that I created during the competition. It's the same traditional Chicken Adobo with a twist. You guys ready for it? Let's begin! To start our dish guys, we need to do the traditional Chicken Adobo. All we need to do is basically put everything in one pot and cook it.
I'm gonna prepare my chicken to begin with. Half of it will be used for my COTY adobo, thighs and the breast, which is I am deboning right now. While the rest of it will be used for my traditional chicken adobo, including the bones. Thighs, legs and the wings will be used for plating. Hot pan with oil in it. Drop the chicken bones and color them till they are slightly brown. Then add the chicken thighs, the legs and the wings. Once it's brown, add your soy sauce, vinegar, onion, garlic, cinnamon to enhance the flavor, and some star anise. Also, I'm gonna add some sugar for sweetness and some chicken stock.
I'm gonna leave this one to simmer for at least 20 to 30 minutes and come back afterwards. While waiting for our classic traditional chicken adobo, I'm gonna start preparing the other stuff for the adobo that I created during the competition. For this one, we need steam up. I've marinated the chicken in advance a while ago. Whatever ingredient I use to cook our traditional chicken adobo, it's pretty much the same as what we've got in here.
For the marinated chicken thighs, I am gonna roll it using a cling film. Try to make it air-free as much as you can. Roll it tightly and lock it by tying it on both sides. For my chicken breast, I'm gonna use Ziploc. Add a good amount of soy sauce inside, a bit of butter, and seal it. Steam the chicken thighs for about 12 to 15 minutes. Breast for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Next on my list is the crispy chicken skin. What I did on this one is take some of the skin out of the chicken, scrape it using a knife, and then put it in a flat tray with some parchment paper in it. Fold it with another parchment on top of it. Cover it with another flat tray on top, making sure it's flat and tight. After that, grab anything that you can use to put weight on top of the tray. Any metal stuff. Like on this occasion, I use my weight in my home gym. Make sure whatever you use to cook the chicken skin in the oven is a metal. Otherwise, it's gonna burn. You don't want that. My traditional chicken adobo is cooking. The other chicken is on its way. I've already done my rice a while ago. I hope you still remember how to cook your rice using your middle finger. My broccoli and edamame beans is done for garnishing. Got some butter in here for my juice. Some lovely red onion for my Chef of the Year adobo. Last but not the least, this lovely crispy onion that I bought from the shop. I mean, if you guys have it, why would you do it? If you guys want me to do a crispy onion or garlic, just leave me some comment down below.
Steamed and traditional chicken adobo is done and dusted. I am now ready for plating. I'm gonna add a bowl of rice into the plate with the traditional one. Grab me chicken wings, legs and thighs into the bowl with some decent sauce inside. Place it next to the rice. Add some boiled egg that I cooked for about 8 minutes. Sprinkle it with some crispy onion. Add some coriander to garnish. And there you have it, Noisy Chef Chicken Adobo. Next is hot pan with oil inside. Drop the edamame and tender stem broccoli. Toast it. Add the steamed rice. Season it with salt and pepper and set it aside. I'm gonna brown my red onion on mid side. Add the rolled chicken thighs next to it. cut my chicken breast into half, add it in a pan, and sear it on the skin side till it's brown and crispy. Add some butter in. Melt the butter and emulsify it using a spoon. Add some sauce from the traditional chicken adobo. Let it simmer and take off the chicken breast and thighs to rest for a few minutes. Poached egg will be used on my plate instead of the crispy quail egg. Cook it for about 2 minutes. I am plating my rice, edamame beans, and broccoli afterwards. Add the chicken thighs on top, chicken breast below. Add my poached egg in, that caramelized red onion, crispy chicken skin on both sides. Add some coriander to garnish and finish it with some nice sauce on the side. And there you have it, Noipi Chef of the Year Chicken Adobo.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Drop me some comments or suggestions down below. Click the subscribe and notification button for more videos updates. I'll see you all next time for the next cooking session of The Noipi Chef.